would he do that?
Your brother took out an insurance policy with an accidental death clause. It means that if he was murdered, the beneficiary would be entitled to $1 million. You're the beneficiary.
Unfortunately, the coroner is going to rule the case is suicide and not a homicide, which makes that policy worthless.
I was just trying to help my brother. I want Frank.
Listen to me. Frank will be facing charges of obstructing justice. Do you understand? The court will appoint you another guardian.
No, I don't want another guardian. I want Frank!
I'm sorry.
This program is scanning the topography of the skull and building a three-dimensional image based on the data.
Look at your cat.
Show you that in a
Recording it.
second. But you can already see two concentric arcs. The inner arc is impressed just a little bit deeper into the skull. Check it out.
Like a crater in a crater. Can you enlarge the full screen?
There. Small, evenly spaced indentations along the edge of the inner arc.
I know what that is.
Skinny-ass Featherwoods as much trouble dead as she was alive. I didn't ask her to move in here.
No one asked you.
So, Warden, baby girl was transferred to this cell about a week ago.
That's right.
Where was she last housed?
D block.